My name is Dan Hicks. The procedure I had done was an implant procedure by Dr. John Darby. My dental history, actually, I've been pretty fortunate, been in pretty good shape, but with age, I ended up breaking a tooth. And it doesn't matter how careful you are sometimes, that's going to happen. And I'm now on the third implant procedure, and I'm very pleased with everything that's happened here.
Dan was referred by his general dentist initially 8 or 9 years ago. Unfortunately, Dan had fractured a tooth at that time, the first time we saw him, and that tooth was removed, and socket preservation grafting was accomplished, which enabled us 3 or 4 months later to place an implant at that site, which also prevented the necessity of grinding down the 2 adjacent teeth and having a fixed bridge. So Dan was very pleased about that.
And actually, the whole process here, no process is ever perfect, but I will say that it's near perfect here in the sense that they have all the elements from the time you check in to the time you finish. Having an implant, what does it feel like? It's like you've got your own tooth back. Dr. Darby's attention to detail is very intensive and short. He gets right to the point and gets it done.
Dan was very appreciative of the work that we've done. He's commented many times that he had no discomfort. One of the things that Dan likes is the fact that he doesn't have to worry about discomfort during our procedures, and made comments that IV sedation, moderate IV sedation, was great, and that was one of the reasons why he came to our office and continued to come to our office was because of the sedation and him not having to worry about discomfort.
Anyway, the procedure is about as close to perfect as you can get.